What's the meaning of bossy boots? Bossy boots. Bossy boots.
Bossy boots. Bossy boots. The term bossy boots is a colloquial expression used to describe someone who is excessively domineering or controlling. It is typically used in a playful or teasing manner, but can also be used to convey a more negative connotation. The use of the word bossy implies a desire for power and control, while the addition of the word boots adds a sense of authority and forcefulness. However, it is important to note that using this term to describe someone can be seen as derogatory, and it is generally not considered polite or respectful to use such language when referring to others.